What's up, everyone? Today we're going to go through an advanced crunch progression. We call it a hollow rocking position. Okay, so if you watched our basic crunch progression earlier, we progressed to where we were holding a crunch with our feet unsupported. Okay, so now I'm going to start in that position, pressing my lower back down, glutes tight so I can lift my feet up. Right here, I'm going to work on slowly turning my body all the way over to one side. Okay, so I want my body to always stay one piece. I don't want to be swinging my body side to side or swinging my legs across so that my body follows. So I started my crunch position, okay, basic crunch position, hollow position. Start to slowly turn my hips over. So I want my feet, my shoulders, my hips all facing the same direction, almost exactly like a plank. Now I slowly start to roll myself back. Okay, all my focus on keeping the muscles in the front engaged, and I just work on using my abs, my obliques a little bit to just control the position, slowly rolling side to side. So sometimes we do this for time, about 30 seconds, 60 seconds. Right, usually we do them for 3 to 5 reps. All right, so remember the focus of this is going to be engaging the muscles in the front to keep everything here tight. So my back should be pressed in the ground, glutes are going to be a little tight, and I'm just stabilizing the motion of rotating my body in that position. So just another way for you to challenge your abdominals a little bit more. All right, let us know how it goes in the comments. Thanks.